Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Prada eyeglasses, model VPR16X in color code 1BO-1O1. The color of the frame is matte black. And these glasses are a rectangular shape. On its temple, you'll find the Prada logo engraved. This is the inside of the frame. And both temples are the same. You'll also find the Prada logo engraved on its bottom left lens. On its inner right temple is again the Prada logo and that it's made in Italy, as well as the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 55 is for its lens, 19 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Prada gift box, a Prada hard case, and a black Prada cleaning cloth. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.